Hello, I'm Ben.
Hey, Ben. Nice to meet you. I'm Sarah.
Pleasure to meet you too, Sarah.
Likewise, Ben.
And what are your interests and hobbies, Sarah?
I enjoy reading and watching TV. How about you, Ben?
I'm into playing football and video games.
That's interesting. Do you play football with your friends regularly?
Yeah, we usually gather and play every weekend.
Sounds like a lot of fun.
Absolutely, it's a fantastic way to unwind and socialize with friends.
I totally agree. I wish I could play football too.
You could come and watch us play sometime if you're interested.
That sounds like a plan.
What type of TV shows do you typically watch?
I enjoy watching cartoons and cooking shows.
I'm a fan of cartoons too. Do you also enjoy cooking?
Yeah, I love cooking with my mom.
That's cool. What kind of dishes do you usually prepare?
I like baking cookies and cakes.
Yum. I have a sweet tooth for cookies.
Maybe I can bake some for you sometime.
That would be fantastic. Thanks, Sarah.
No problem, Ben.
Do you have any other hobbies?
Yeah, I'm also passionate about drawing and painting.
That's interesting. What subjects do you like to draw?
I enjoy sketching animals and flowers.
Do you have any pets?
Yeah, I have a cat named Whiskers.
That's adorable. I have a dog named Max.
Dogs too.
Maybe we can go to the park with Max and Whiskers sometime.
That sounds like a plan.
What other hobbies do you have, Sarah?
I also like singing and dancing.
That sounds like fun. Do you often sing and dance at home?
Yeah, I love having impromptu karaoke and dance sessions with my friends.
Maybe we can organize a karaoke night sometime.
That sounds like a fantastic idea.